Hello, welcome to my apartment tour. Let's get started. When you enter, they just have a little booth sign right here. Just a little holiday decoration, a little closet right here. Just put my jackets, and if guests come, they could put the jackets here. Just my shoes that I wear on a daily, and then just some storage stuff. I have like, what is it? Light bulbs and stuff, and this is just where all my tools are. And then if you go right, you do see my kitchen, and then I can adjust all the lights here. So this is the kitchen light, this is the fan light. Cups, fridge, stove, this little window that peeps through, the living room, and then also right next to the kitchen. We also do have a washer and dryer in here. So there's the light over here. So just put all my stuff up there. This is the dryer and the washer. Very nice to have. Side. Then it goes to my living room. So right here, I just have my Be Yourself sign. A lot of repeated stuff from my old video. If you guys wanted to check it out, I'll leave the link or it'll be attached below. Just my little badge for work. I just have my face mask, my keys, a pen candy jar, and then just a bunch of miscellaneous things. And then right next to my washer and dryer, I do have another walk-in closet. This is just basically storage, water, games, chairs, the heater thing, and just a lot of storage stuff. Just my kitchen stuff and my towels. I have my noodles in this jar, plastic spoon plates. Got this little cute thing, the plastic spoon, forks and straws, my noodles, my canned goods, and just my other stuff up here. Okay, and then into my living room and dining room. So this is currently my work area right now. It's a mess, but it's currently my work area. So I'm just working on this right now. My current fan is on, but like I said, it's dimmable. To my living room. So this is currently how my living room looks like. So I just got my couch from Ashley Furniture, just a little bookshelf, some lights. Let's see if I can zoom out. Ooh. Yeah, let's see if I clean it up. Sofa, got it from Ashley Furniture. Just a little window light here. A little fake plant. Some chairs, an ottoman, a bigger coffee table, which I very much appreciate. And then my TV stand and the other post just kind of faces the couch. So I could just sit here and watch TV. And then outside, I do have a 3-window balcony lock thingy. So yeah, just how I decorated it. It's in the morning, so I do have lights, so it does turn on. And I do have a little light switch here, which we will turn on this light. So it does block. It's very safe in a way. Right, and then back to the other way, my bathroom. Okay, so right when you get to the door, my bathroom's actually directly there. So just my sink, the usual stuff. I do have storage here, which is really nice. Mirror, toilet, shower curtains, nothing too exciting. And then this is the entry door, and I do have a closet in here another walk-in closet, which I kind of store everything and a lot of miscellaneous things. So I have my scarves, my jacket, all my purses are up there. And then I do have a bar cart in here. Usually I do put it in the room, but it's gonna be in here temporarily. I have a long table, and I just kind of store all my shoes right here. So it's all in this closet along with a lot of other miscellaneous things. Okay, and then to my bedroom. Okay, so my bedroom, I actually changed it. I do have a mirror right here, my big mirror, my dresser, my TV, and then my bed, and then just my makeup and desk stuff. And then along here, I just kind of have these little things. My necklace is kind of hanging here. I have my makeup, my brushes, and a lot of miscellaneous things as well. And I also do have a walk-in closet. So just my walk-in closet. Try to kind of color coordinate it. And then my laundry basket, just a bunch of miscellaneous storage stuff. But yes, for the most part, that is my apartment tour in a very, very quick glance. So yes, this is how everything looks like in a quick view. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!